So, have you ever looked at your resume and wondered, how do I really make this pop? Especially in a field crowded with talented people. Well, today, we're going to pull back the curtain on the Adobe certification program because this little credential can be a massive game changer for your career. All right, let's get right into it. We've laid this out as a 5-step journey, a roadmap if you will. We're going to start with the big why, what's in it for you? Then we'll help you find the perfect path. After that, it's all about strategy with a pre-exam playbook. Then we'll tackle the exam itself, and finally, the best part, putting that shiny new credential to work for you.
Okay, first things first. Before we even think about the nuts and bolts of how to sign up, we've got to understand the why. What's the strategic value here? In a job market this competitive, how does an Adobe certification actually give you a real, tangible edge? And this quote really hits the nail on the head. It's all about one word: validation. See, anybody can write proficient in Adobe whatever on their LinkedIn. But this certification, this is verifiable, undeniable proof. It's a loud and clear signal to employers that you don't just say you have the skills, you've proven it. And you should know, Adobe has seriously leveled up how they test these skills. It used to be the Adobe Certified Associate, or ACA. Now it's the Adobe Certified Professional, the ACP. And the key difference is this move to live in the application testing. This isn't about memorizing answers to multiple-choice questions. No, you're literally performing tasks inside the software, proving you can do the job in the real world. And if you want to know the impact of that, just look at this number: 72%. Certified folks are reportedly 72% more productive. That's huge. For you, it means you're delivering way more value. And for a manager, hiring someone with that kind of efficiency is a no-brainer. It means the whole team can take on bigger, cooler projects.
Okay, so hopefully you're sold on the why. Now let's get to the fun part, figuring out your what. It's time to look at the different paths you can take so you can find the one that fits you, your experience, and your career goals like a glove.
So Adobe makes this pretty simple with 3 main levels. Think of professional as your launch pad. It's for folks with about a year of experience, designed to show you are officially job ready. Then you can level up to expert, for people with 1 to 3 years under their belt who can troubleshoot and handle advanced stuff. And at the top, you've got master, for the seasoned pros with 3+ years who are architecting those big, complex solutions.
And once you know your level, you match it with your job role. Are you a business practitioner, the person actually using the tools to run campaigns? Or maybe you're a developer, the one who's in the weeds implementing and customizing things. Or are you an architect, designing the entire system from a high level? Nailing this down ensures you're taking the perfect exam for your specific expertise.
Okay, you've picked your path, you know the destination. Now it's time to build your pre-exam playbook. This is our tactical guide, covering everything you need to do before the big day so you can walk in there feeling totally ready to crush it. First off, scheduling the exam is honestly so easy. You just go to the official catalog online, find your specific exam, click Manage, buy a voucher if you need one, and then just pick your date and time from the calendar. That's it. Simple. And Adobe doesn't just leave you hanging when it comes to studying. They give you a whole toolkit. The exam prep guides are basically your roadmap. They tell you exactly what's on the test. The training courses are where you build your skills. Then, and this is key, you've got free practice tests to see where you're strong and where you need work. And don't sleep on the community forums. They are gold for getting answers to those tricky questions.
Now, we talked about the cost, but here's a pro tip for you. Always check for discounts before you pay. If you work for an Adobe partner, boom, 33% off. If you're a student, you get a massive 50% discount. And if your whole team signs up, you can get a serious bulk discount. A little research here can save you a lot of money. All right, the studying is done, the exam is scheduled, it's game day. Let's walk through what the actual test day is like so there are 0 surprises and you can just focus on showing what you know.
Okay, this part is non-negotiable, so listen up. You need a government-issued photo ID. But here's the critical part. The name on that ID must perfectly match the name on your Adobe profile. No nicknames, no typos. And leave everything else at home. I mean it. No extra screens, no notebooks, no watch, not even food or a drink.
Now, if you're taking the exam online from home, the rules are even tighter. You'll be in a lockdown browser with your camera and mic on the whole time. Your desk has to be totally clear. But this last point is the absolute most important thing to remember. Any remote sharing software, like TeamViewer, AnyDesk, anything like that, it must be uninstalled from your computer beforehand. If they find it, you automatically forfeit your exam fee. Seriously. So, let's talk about the question that's probably in the back of your mind. What if you have a bad day? What happens if you don't pass on the first try? Well, the great news is, it's not the end of the world, not even close. If you fail your first try, you only have to wait 24 hours to take it again. After a second attempt, the waiting period is 14 days. Yes, you do have to pay for each try, but failing is just a bump in the road, not a dead end.
All right, now for the best part. You did it! You passed! The hard part is over. So let's talk about the payoff. How do you actually use this thing to get that promotion, land that new gig, or negotiate a better salary? The first thing you get is a digital badge, and this is so much more than just a little image. Think of it as a digital key. It's a secure, clickable link. When a recruiter on LinkedIn clicks that badge, it takes them to a special page that proves your certification is real, current, and details all the skills you had to prove to earn it.
And sharing this proof is ridiculously easy. You just log into your Adobe certification account, click over to the Achievements tab, find your badge, and hit the Share button. With a couple of clicks, you can blast your new accomplishment all over LinkedIn and your other social networks.
And this might just be one of the best features of the whole program. You know how some certifications make you pay a ton of money and retake a whole exam every couple of years? Not here. Keeping your Adobe certification up to date is super fast. And get this, it's completely free. That's right. Every 2 years, to keep your certification active, all you have to do is pass 2 short online renewal modules. They're free, and they keep your skills fresh. It's an absolute no-brainer and makes it so easy to maintain your credential.
So, there you have it. That's the entire playbook, from understanding the value all the way to showing off your new badge. We've covered the why, the what, and the how. The only question left is, which path are you going to choose to prove what you can do and really accelerate your career?
For free ACE practice tests, click the link in the description or scan the QR code on your screen. Start practicing today and prepare with confidence.